Now we will see another application of the formula for amount. We can even use it regarding the calculation for the number of population of people, or even in the market for the price of the various gadget whenever we need to talk about rate. Okay, so see, the concept of compound interest, we can apply it even in the rate of growth, whether it is for the number of people or for the price of the material. So in that case, the population, we will take it as P, the number of population, or the price of the machine, we can take it as P. But here we will have two cases. One, it will be positive when it is increasing. Another, it will be negative when it is decreasing. So if it is positive, it is increasing, we will use plus. But if instead of going up, the numbers coming down, that means they are decreasing, in that case we will use minus. So remember, if population or the price of machine, they are increasing, we will use plus. But if the number of population or the machine decrease, in that case we will use minus. So we will apply it in exercise 8.4. more or less they are the same. We will do only 1, 2, 3 and 5. 1, 2, 3 and 5. So let's start. The population of a town increases. Here you see increases, that means they are going up. So if they are going up, the rate, it will be, remember, increases, so that means it will be plus. Okay, the rate is given to be 5% every year, that means annual PA. Then if the present population, that will become the principal, it is already given to be 1,44,000. Then the time we have to calculate is for 3 years. The time we take it 3 years. So now the original population, we already have 1 lakh. Now what to do? We have to calculate the population after 3 years. Population after 3 years, that means we have to calculate the amount. So remember, the rate here, it is increases, so that means we will use the positive rate. Okay, those. So amount we still have to find. P, you know, it is the present population, 1,44,000. Then 1, let it be remain there. R, the rate we have 5. We will put plus because they say it is increasing. Then by 100 whole power n. Your n is the time we need to calculate for 3 years. So amount we still have to find. Let it be there. Then here we have fraction. 5 and 100. You can divide, right? 5 into 20. Once you have fraction with plus, what to do? We have to find LCM. So LCM of 20 and 1, 20. So how to write up? Remember, take the fraction, multiply LCM. 1 divide 20, 20. 20 into 1, 20. Plus 1 by 20 into LCM. 20 divide 20, 1. 1 into 1, 1. Whole to the power 3. So here we have 144,000. Let me make it shortcut. 20 plus 1, 21. So because we have the power 3, we can write it 3 times. Okay, power 3. So we write it 3 times. How many 0? 1, 2, 3. How many here? 3. So cancel it. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Here you have 2. Here 144. You can divide. 2 divide 144 to 7 to 2. Another 2 we divide here, 36. Another 2 we divide here, we'll get 18. So that means the number of population after 3 years, it will be equal to 18 into 21 into 21 into 21. The multiplication, please multiply yourself. Whatever you get after you multiply these, that will be the number of population after 3 years. Okay, it will be around 16 lakhs. So please multiply yourself and complete it. Then next we'll see number 2. Here also we have the population of the village is 64,000. So that we take it as principal. Okay, equal to 64,000. 64,000. Then what about the others? What will be the population after 2 years? That means the time taken here, it will be 2 years. Then see, again here they say increasing. That means the rate is increasing. At what? 5% every year. So rate here also remember increasing. 5% every year. Okay, annually. That means per annum. So what we have to do? We have to find population after 2 years. That means the amount. Okay, how many people? Because at present it is this much. Then after 2 years, how it will be? We have to calculate the amount. So use the formula for amount again. And remember here the rate is increasing. So that means we will have to use plus. Okay, if they say decreasing, you have to make minus. But since they say increasing, we have to make plus. So P, you know, it is 64,000. Then 1, you can write by 1. Rate, you know, 5. By 100, the time, you know, 2 years. 5 by 100, you can divide, right? So you divide it. You see for calculation. 5, 1, 5, 20. Whole to power 2. So you have fraction. What to do? Find the LCM. 1 and 20, 20. So what to do? Take the fraction, multiply with LCM. So 1 divide 20, 20. 20 into 1, 20. Then plus 1 by 20 into 20. 20 divide 20, 1. 1 into 1, 1. Whole to power 2. So the amount will be 64,000 into, here we have power 2. So 20 plus 1, 21. We will write it 2 times because we have power 2. So 0, 1, 2, 1, 2. We can cancel. Then 2 divide 60, 3 to 0. 2 divide 3 to 0, 160. So that means the population after 2 years, it will be 160 into 21 into 21. Multiply yourself, okay? The population after 2 years, it will be whatever you get from this. Please multiply yourself.